Good morning and welcome today, Fire Torch viewers. We are at the Blackheath Auditorium with Sister Anthea. Sister Anthea, you have received a powerful prophecy now from
Okay. Crown. You know what crowns mean? Yes. Level of influence, authority. Okay.
Maar hy vir my sê van like hy sien vir my met 'n mic en freak en wat en was like ek kon hy feeling voel waar ek like van my droom was like altyd gewees om like 'n profesie te wees of pastoor te wees of te preek vir mense en so like wat hy vir my daai sê like ek het emotional geraak en like ek kon net nie glo dat ek sal so ver gegaan het om na my standings en like en wat me nog my baie hartseer gemaak het is omdat wat profesie sê van like family still en like ek kon het like voel cause dat ek het hartseer gegaan nou en like het vir my baie emotional voel en toe hy my gesê van like ek moet hier in die Bybel is to be honest ek was een wat nog regtig rus het om met die Bybel te sit nie wat vandag wat ek my sê voel ek net like ek moet die woord vat en like worshiping God and trusting God and believing God and He will help.
Amen. Glory to Jesus. So as you heard, our sister has received a prophecy regarding her calling. Amen. Our future minister is standing right here beside me. And can you please tell our viewers, after receiving your prophecy, you went through deliverance. What did you experience in that moment? And how are you feeling right now?
I felt like while he was praying for me and so I felt like before he was praying for me, I had a pain in my back and here my neck and while he was praying for me and it came over like pure, that pain just went away. It net verdwyn en like ek het gevoel hy spirit like dit kom uit my daai gesoek ek sê hy uitgekom het en ek is net baie dankbaar dat ek loop so ja.